Hi everyone, welcome to Mangoes are a delicious and versatile fruit that is native to South Asia. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and they have a number of health benefits. Nutritional value. Mangoes are a good source of vitamins A and C, as well as potassium, magnesium, and fiber. They also contain small amounts of other vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A is important for vision, immunity, and skin health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect the body from damage. It is also important for immune function. Potassium is an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Magnesium is an important mineral that helps with muscle and nerve function. Fiber is important for gut health and can help regulate digestion. Health benefits. Mangoes have a number of health benefits, including improved vision. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin A, which is important for vision. Consuming mangoes may help to improve night vision and reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Boosted immunity. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that helps protect the body from damage. Consuming mangoes may help to boost the immune system and fight off infection. Protected skin. Mangoes are a good source of vitamin A, which is important for skin health. Consuming mangoes may help to protect the skin from damage caused by the sun and pollution. Reduced risk of heart disease. Mangoes are a good source of potassium, which is an important mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Consuming mangoes may help to reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Improved digestion. Mangoes are a good source of fiber, which is important for gut health. Consuming mangoes may help to improve digestion and reduce the risk of developing constipation. Weight loss. Mangoes are a good source of fiber and water, which can help to promote weight loss. Consuming mangoes may help to suppress appetite and increase feelings of fullness. Other benefits. In addition to the health benefits mentioned above, mangoes may also have other benefits, such as reduced risk of cancer. Mangoes contain antioxidants that may help to protect cells from damage that can lead to cancer. Improved brain function. Mangoes contain antioxidants that may help to protect the brain from damage and improve cognitive function. Reduced inflammation. Mangoes contain antioxidants that may help to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Improved mood. Mangoes contain vitamin B6, which is important for mood regulation. Consuming mangoes may help to improve mood and reduce the risk of developing depression. How to eat mangoes. Mangoes can be eaten fresh, frozen, or canned. They can also be used in a variety of dishes, such as smoothies, salads, and desserts. Storage. Mangoes should be stored at room temperature until they are ripe. Once ripe, they can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Mangoes are generally safe to eat, but some people may experience allergic reactions. If you have an allergy to mangoes, you should avoid eating them. Mangoes are a delicious and nutritious fruit that has a number of health benefits. They can be eaten fresh, frozen, or canned, and they can be used in a variety of dishes. If you are looking for a healthy and delicious fruit to add to your diet, mangoes are a great option. If you like the video, smash that like button. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. Share. Subscribe.